Parrots, belonging to the order Psittaciformes, are known for their vibrant plumage, strong curved beaks, and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward. There are roughly 393 species of parrots, categorized into 3 families: Psittacidae, true parrots, Cacatuidae, cockatoos, and Strigopidae. Land parrots. Key characteristics: colorful feathers. Many parrots display bright, multicolored feathers, although some species, like the African grey, are more subdued in color. Beaks and feet. Parrots have powerful, curved beaks adapted for cracking nuts and seeds. Their zygodactyl feet provide a strong grip, useful for climbing and handling food. Intelligence. Parrots are highly intelligent birds, capable of mimicking human speech and other sounds. The African grey parrot, in particular, is known for its cognitive abilities and extensive vocabulary. Diet. Parrots are primarily herbivores, feeding on seeds, nuts, fruit, buds, and other plant material. Some species may also consume insects and small animals. Habitat. They are found in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide, with a significant number in Central and South America, Australia, and Southeast Asia. Notable species: macaws, large parrots known for their long tails and vivid plumage. Cockatoos, identified by their prominent crests and strong personalities. Parakeets, budgerigars, small, social parrots that are popular pets. African grey parrots, renowned for their intelligence and ability to mimic speech. Conservation. Many parrot species face threats from habitat loss, the pet trade, and climate change. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, breeding programs, and legal regulations to prevent illegal trade.